We have a relative that introduced us to Kimberly, and he kept telling us, oh, she's so bright, she interned here, she did this and everything else and so forth. So then we wound up in the desert where she was. So then we came in to see her, and we just fell in love with her. Our family, every time they call, we'll ask Kimberly. No matter what it is, we ask Kimberly. But I had an interesting experience at not too long ago at one of your lunches where you that Kimberly gave for everybody, all of his clients. I sat next to this lady, and she was talking about her estate, and I mean, she was talking about millions. I wasn't talking about millions with my estate. And we sat there and talked, and I said, well, how do you like Kimberly? And she said, marvelous. She takes my calls. They always return them right away. If she can't do it, Dennis calls me back, and I like him very much too. And it went on, and I said, isn't that funny? I said, I'm sure my estate is not the size of yours, and I get exactly the same service. Isn't that nice? And we both chuckled over that. But it's the truth. Kimberly is the one that calls me back, or one of the girls from the office, and she's got Kimberly like standing by to talk to me and so on. And it's very rewarding. So as a result, we use Kimberly for really just about everything. Financial, just
whenever we have an issue, we call Kimberly first.
You talk to her for any length of time, you realize she's very intelligent. But then you hear her background, you realize, my goodness, you're really dealing with somebody that's top-notch in their field. And it's really a good feeling to feel that, you know, when you're not here to oversee the financial things and so forth, that it's been prepared properly. And we're protecting our children. All the girls are very nice in your office. In fact, if I can't get a hold of Kimberly or Dennis, then I don't mind talking to Allison, because I know she'll get the answer for me or whatever. And we just met Jackie. She's very sweet. You've got marvelous girls in your office.
I can use one word to sum that up. I call it buttoned up. Everybody is so buttoned up. They know exactly what to do, when to do it. And it's nice to have that feeling when you call, you know you're going to get great service. I think the documentation and the paperwork is so spot on. Now, everyone, of course, is different, so everybody's documentation and paperwork is going to be different. But our experience was spot on. I mean, we have a a book that thick with all our stuff in it, and I did not expect that after our first experience. But we really appreciate her attention to detail.
We've decided that if everybody had a Kimberly in their life, how much simpler it would be, really and truly, in more than just one direction.
Yeah, we strongly recommend Kimberly Lee as a person to go to for all your financial needs.
Call today and let us guide you through the legal process to take control and to achieve the peace of mind you deserve.